Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from New York Detective, and the title of the video is Scammer Meets No blah, 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 blah. You know we give it to you raw and uncut over here, man. I don't do no edits, you hear me? But yo, all right, the title of the video is Scammer Meets No Nonsense Cop, man. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man.
On February 23rd, 2024, officers responded to a report of a male suspect attempting a fraudulent SIM swap. When officers arrived, the suspect fled, prompting a pursuit.
Oh, it's starting off hot. Let's get it, man.
What we have is 53 related charges.
My boy in that water swimming. Oh, no. Okay. Let's go.
He's running southbound. He's running southbound behind the 400 diplomat. Stop! I'm going to shoot you. Stop! I'm going to tase you. Stop! Stop! I'm going to shoot you. Stop! Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Do it now. On the ground. Get on the ground. Do it now. On the ground, bro. Get on the ground. Your face down. Do not move. Move.
My boy is about to go in that water.
Yes, sir. I ain't got no gun. I ain't got none.
Move.
Yes, sir. I ain't got none. I ain't got. All right, let me get up.
Turn it up for 215.
Let me get up. I'll get up.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. This way. Here, shoot. I ain't dying. Come here. Come over the fence. Listen.
Sit in your butt. Sit in your butt.
Come on. Yeah, you gonna shoot me though?
Yeah.
They're coming out to the front.
Hey, I got him to stop, though. I think when they was running, I think he had his taser out, though. I don't know if he had his gun, because he said, I'm going to shoot you. Then he said, I'm going to tase you. Yeah, so I think he said the wrong thing at first. But either way, he heard that, I'm going to shoot you. That boy, he got his act together. You hear me? He got his act together real quick.
Yeah.
No cardio.
How you gonna get covered if I cop?
You dared to shoot. I wasn't gonna risk my life like that.
Smart choice.
Hell yeah. I ain't do nothing wrong.
I appreciate you complying.
Yeah.
I ain't do nothing wrong, but he running.
Who got a car here? Where are you?
Can I search him back?
Wait, hold on. We can't just go past that now. Like, hold on now. Who that?
Who got a car here?
Uh,
Where are you?
Can I search him back?
hey. All right, one more time for the one time, man. One more time for the one time, man. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien, y tú? I'm talking that talk to her, you feel me?
Who got a car here? Where are you?
Can I search him back?
You gonna shoot me for real?
I don't know if you got a weapon or not, bro.
I'll run it over. You gonna shoot me? Here, I got my phone.
Is your car?
Yeah.
Your car? No, I'm just searching this side. Yeah.
Yeah. What's up, mommy?
Oh my God. Put my hands up. Good afternoon, officers. Why y'all look all so pouty, man? Yeah, good afternoon, man. I ain't violent, nah. Nope.
There you go, take a seat.
Go on. Yeah.
Okay, but she's got the subject, so she
No, I don't know whose car that is. It's not my
Okay, then go meet with
She Hispanic too. You hear it in her voice.
How you doing, sir? You mind just telling me what happened?
Yeah, so we have a chat across all the stores, right? And they send a picture of this man trying to use a fake ID to do a SIM change. Usually SIM change, they do it to like get access to another person's bank account information, do all sort of things. But yeah, then I saw a person obviously walk in. I thought I was a customer. When I asked for his ID, it was the same Oklahoma ID, but it had a different name on it. So I was like, oh, okay, this guy's fraud. So I called my manager just to like let her know, hey, this guy's fraud. And then just went to while she was handling him, trying to do the SIM change, we put like a bunch of barriers, like, hey, I need a bill, whatever. I was in the back calling you guys. And then I came back, try to just stretch the interaction as long as possible so that you guys can get there. And once he saw the cop card, he's like, oh, give me a second. He grabbed his stuff and then called him.
Okay, and just to confirm, the mail that you're talking about that they sent doing fraud to all the other stores was the mail you just confirmed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
He's going to pull the car in so we can finish talking in here so we're not blocking the road.
Well, that's why it wasn't me.
Alright, so just to run everything back, obviously you guys, when did you get that first alert?
5:15. Well, let me see. Yeah, 5:15.
Which store was that?
Aventura.
Aventura, okay.
That's, you want the address?
Nah, don't worry, I'll find it. Well, actually, yeah, just give it to me. Might as well, right?
20445.
445.
the DB can look at.
Do you know if he did anything over there? Did they call?
I don't think they called.
Okay.
He was trying to do a SIM swap, right?
Yes, correct.
And tell me, explain that to me.
So basically, it's just switching. So let's say my phone number is here, and I want to put it in another phone. I just swap the SIM card, and then put it into a new phone.
And they're doing that as fraud?
Yeah, to access people's, one-time pins for bank accounts, for whatever reason.
Because all the messages will start going to him, right?
Exactly. So when they get the one-time pin, it goes to the fraudster instead of the actual person.
Okay. And you don't know if he ended up doing anything over there?
I can call them.
If they did and they need to press charges, that's going to be Aventura PD, okay?
Yeah.
So just make sure they call them.
Yeah, you can call them after we're done because it's out of our jurisdiction.
Oh, okay.
But you can let them know that we do have one in custody in regards to that. We're also going to let our department know to send out an email blast to their department to know that we do have that person of interest in custody.
He also presented an Xfinity bill. Well, a fake one, of course.
To you guys or?
To us.
Okay, I don't think he had that on him.
No, he had a picture.
Oh, a picture of it? Okay.
We have it printed out of the store.
Okay.
They may have asked this, but you have video surveillance, right?
Yes.
And when you get back to the store, you'll be able to freeze that interaction.
Me personally, no, but I can call my district manager.
If you could, please, that'll be very helpful. Because our detective, we don't necessarily need that today, but our detective bureau will get that video. And as far as prosecution in court, I mean, that's common sense. All right.
What's your first name, boss?
I ain't taking me to jail.
Huh?
I ain't going to jail.
What's your name?
I can't tell him at the precinct or at the jail.
With another charge.
Okay, that's fine. You don't want to tell us fine.
It just, if I'm going to jail,
You're gonna get hit with another charge, brother. That's the problem. If you want another charge, that's on you.
I want to go to jail so I can.
That's what we're doing.
Okay, but if you don't tell us your name, you're gonna get another charge.
Yes.
What's the charge?
Obstruction. Because you're not letting us conduct our investigation.
That's not my job to help y'all.
Okay, that's fine.
Have enough from us, are you?
I appreciate y'all for being nice, but
No,
you
no
feel what I'm
worries.
saying? I just want to go to jail. Y'all
I
can
got
take
you.
me to jail,
Yeah.
take me to wherever detention center I'm going to. I can tell them my name. I can start the process.
I just figure you might want to give me a name so I can call you by that.
Oh, no, you can call me good citizen.
All right, good citizen. You can just send this with me.
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it. Y'all nice, man. I can't lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm like, hey, he a cheater.
Stand right here for me.
My bad. My man's right there. Yeah.
You know what? Honestly, on the criminal side, that's how he's supposed to act. Like, this is probably the nicest, like, bad guy that I've seen so far. Like, there's another video where I kind of talked about, like, once it's done, it's done. You know what I'm saying? Once you get caught, it's a wrap. You know? So, the criminals, that's their job to, you know, try and get away and scheme and scam and whatever, right? So he tried to scam. Boom, he see the cops roll up. Boom, he out of there. He tried to run, you know what I'm saying? Then the cop said, hey, I'm gonna hit you with something that you might not come back from. You know what I'm saying? And he got his act together. You know what I'm saying? He thought he was gonna swim in that water, but he got his act together. And that was it. He didn't resist. He just put his hands behind his back, everything. Boop. You know how, hey, officers, what's going on? Look, that's what he's supposed to do. He gonna go on a run. He gonna run. But besides that, you know, the whole name thing, you know, whatever. If you want to get hit with another charge, get hit with another charge. But I think as far as the criminal, he handled it like I would expect a criminal would. He didn't do all the extra stuff, you know. Oh, you're racist and this and that and I'm not putting my hand behind my back and fighting and kicking like a girl and all that. Look, he got caught and that's it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Once you get caught, it's a wrap.
He's a cheater.
Listen, when I take this off, just put your hand on top of your head, right?
Okay. I ain't gonna kick my ass in that, right?
Nah, why would you do that, good citizen?
I'm just making sure. I don't want y'all to kick my ass in nothing, man.
No, man, there's no reason for that.
I ain't trying to be different. I just want to go to the jail.
Listen, I need you to take your jewelry off from me, okay? Walk forward in for me. And just take everything off, like your rings, watches. It's all going with you, right?
Yeah, put it in the bag right now.
Transporting witness back to.
My daddy gave me this, man.
Nah, we won't lose it, don't worry. Your necklace too?
Oh, shit. Thank you.
You have shorts over here?
No, I just got these pants and some boxes.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Just have a seat in, and then just the water in the back if you want. All right?
Yeah. How long will it take for all
It shouldn't be that long.
Sorry, it's not the one that just popped straight out.
Sorry.
I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. I'll just, yeah.
One second.
Thank you. No, you can leave it like that.
No, sir, you're back.
Alright. Cool, man.
Nah, bro got the screwbacks, man. That's the real joints, you hear me?
I want to be cool with y'all too, man.
Appreciate that.
If I could just get on my name over there, let them start me up.
We're going to do it here. Please? We'll do all the paperwork here. There's one on the back wall, right?
Alright.
The suspect was charged with several serious offenses, including creating, possessing, or using fraudulent personal identification, unauthorized possession of a forged or stolen driver's license, failure to comply with police or fire department orders, and obtaining property or communications under $300 through fraud. If you found this content valuable,
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.